Here we've got CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select security, and now go to SIM card lock. And right here under SIM card you can smoothly pick the one that you have inserted and then click on change SIM PIN. Now you have to enter the old one, so in my case it's 1234. Tap on OK, and then just provide a new one, so it's 2580, OK. Then re-enter this new PIN just for confirmation. Tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed, so that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change SIM PIN in your CUBOT P40. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.